guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Dunk WU-TANG Clan. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got, well, it was one of my grails. We have the Nike Dunk WU-TANG Clan, or as Nike would call it, the black pollen white colorway. We got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US 8.5. Before I get unboxing, actually, I just want to mention that this sneaker was, without a doubt, probably one of the most difficult pairs to get a hold of. It was super rare at the time, and back in the 1990s, well, 1999 to be exact, this sneaker released with the whole WU-TANG Clan lore behind it. The RZA signed it off. There was rumored to be 36 pairs only made, but according to the Complex Sneaker podcast that the RZA was a guest on, he said that there were around 100 pairs that were in circulation. So even with that said, there was another member of the WU-TANG Clan, one of the greatest rappers in all time, the Method Man. And Method Man actually said, I can't remember from what interview, I'm very sure of this. Method Man, if you're watching this, and we know that you are, just feel free to verify this, but I believe even the Method Man couldn't get a pair of the Nike WU-TANG Dunk. Fast forward 30 years, well, 25 to be precise, and the Nike WU-TANG Dunk is available to the masses, which is great. Everyone who wanted a pair is kind of able to buy a pair. I mean, I've got a pair myself, as you can see, and probably one of the greatest sneaker collaborations with a hip hop artist, or in this case, is a hip hop group. And as I said before, this is one of my personal grails. So let's go unboxing. And here they are, WU-TANG Dunk. That side. Shut this off. So before I waffle on about like the history of the sneaker and all that jazz, let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got it in this yellow colorway, and it is the typical Dunk radial traction padding that you can see there. The midsole unit, so this is essentially a rubber midsole unit right there. It's like a cup sole, but it's for the courts basketball, and you got this in the white color right here, and the upper is in the famous black and yellow that WU-TANG Clan are famous for. And a lot of other brands are, like even Borussia Dortmund, for example. But if you look at the upper, it's a whole leather, very plush. You can see it right there. Beautiful. On the toe box. So the underlays are black, and the overlays you see is like yellow, like maize, as Nike like to call it, or in this case, the high pollen. Lacing system, so you got your typical yellow laces right there, and then at the tongue, you got your nice padded tongue, and you got the WU-TANG logo right there for you. Going back to the lateral side, so on that lateral side, you've got the Nike swoosh, and just at the heel, you got stitched on the WU-TANG logo also. Medial side, kind of the same, but just without the WU-TANG logo, black and yellow. And at the heel, you've got one little pull tab. Looking at ankle support, it's in this kind of very luscious material. It's not like a canvas or anything. And then the insole right there, mixed materials. There's no air bubble in the sneaker, otherwise it would be called the air dunk. And just going onto the Dunk. So the history of the sneaker is that back in the 90s, well, even before that, so in the 80s, Nike had the Dunk as part of the True to Your School campaign. And it was a bunch of universities in America where they have Dunks dedicated to their colors. Now, the University of Iowa are famous for wearing the black and yellow. And when the Dunk High first released in the 80s, it was this black and yellow colorway that came out. Fast forward into the 90s, and Nike wanted to make a big bang with one of their sneakers, i.e. the Iowa release. Wasn't getting that much traction, so they spoke to the Wu-Tang Clan. The RZA gave the blessing that they can use, the symbol on the Dunk, and here we have the most iconic sneakers of all time, the Wu-Tang Dunk. I'm just gassed out able to have a pair right now. I'm a massive Wu-Tang Clan fan. They've been such a big part of me growing up. So shout out to Eugene if you're watching this. We know that you are. If it wasn't for watching The Mystery of Chess Boxing and GCSE music, I would have never got into music, and that's with Eugene, and I would have deep delved into the whole mystique, the lore of Wu-Tang Clan. I wouldn't have gotten into all of these martial arts fans if it wasn't for the RZA. And the Jizz is my favorite rappers of all time. Shout out to the Jizz. If you're watching, we know that you are. Thank you so much. Liquid Swords is probably the greatest album of all time. And biggest shout out to the Wu-Tang Clan. Honestly, they're one of the biggest pioneers in hip hop, fashion, film, even video games. I mean, there's a video game of the Wu-Tang Clan. So that was on PS1, and they had the Wu-Tang Clan controller. So there's all that. They're so inspirational. They are probably, again, one of the most important people, pioneers, artists of all time. So shout out to the Wu-Tang Clan. Finally got a pair of their Dunks in my hand right now, and can't wait to wear these out for you. So roll that footage and me trying these on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. When it comes to Nike, I typically wear a 7.5. These fit perfectly and they look great as well. Shout out to the Wu-Tang Clan, shout out to the RZA. You can't see me doing it, I'm putting my W in the air, there you go. And Wu-Tang is for Wu-Tang is for the children, Wu-Tang forever, all that jazz. And if any member of the Wu-Tang Clan is watching this, and we know that you are, thank you for your service to music. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.